Hey future scientists, welcome to another engaging session of 3D questions from Steamspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, here to guide you through an exploration of reptilian adaptations in changing environments. Today, we're focusing on how reptiles like lizards regulate their body temperature through external means. If you're new to this concept or just need a refresher, we've got plenty of resources to get you started. Just click on the link at the top right corner. Let's jump into a hands-on experience. We've set up a terrarium that houses a lizard, providing it with a controlled environment similar to its natural habitat. Remember, lizards are cold-blooded, meaning they rely on external sources to manage their body temperatures. So here's your challenge. Imagine you're tasked with ensuring the terrarium remains a suitable habitat for the lizard overnight, especially when temperatures can drop significantly after sunset. Here's your question for part A. What could you add to the terrarium to assist the lizard in maintaining an adequate body temperature throughout the night? A. An electric heating pad. B. A humidity gauge. C. A sound machine. D. A colored light bulb. So go ahead and select your answer and proceed to part B. Here's your question for part B. Why is your choice from part A crucial for ensuring the lizard's survival during the cooler night? A. Lizards need constant light to see their surroundings. B. Lizards require an external heat source to regulate their body temperature. C. Lizards prefer a quiet environment to remain active at night. D. Lizards use different light colors to stay warm. So let's go ahead and engage with the experiment. Consider how the item you chose helps address the specific needs of a cold-blooded animal during the colder night hours. This exercise will enhance your understanding of how ectothermic animals like lizards depend on their environment to survive. This activity is aimed at sharpening your analytical skills by applying theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, thereby enhancing your scientific reasoning and problem-solving capabilities. So go ahead and jot down your choices, thought processes, and findings in your Level Up workbook. This task will not only bolster your grasp of animal physiology, but also prepare you for more challenging scientific inquiries. Stay tuned to our channel for more insightful content and updates. So let's keep nurturing our scientific curiosity and our knowledge.